In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Zoom for desktop. We'll keep this simple and focus on getting the official Zoom desktop client onto a Windows computer. By the end, you'll have the installer running and ready to set up Zoom on your PC. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Click into the address or search bar at the top and type the words Zoom Download. Press Enter to search. This is the quickest way to land on the correct page without memorizing any URLs. When the results appear, look for the official Zoom website. You want the result that points to the Zoom Download Center on the zoom.us domain. It may be labeled Download Zoom for Windows, or something very close to that. If you see ads or lookalike links, skip them. The safest indicator is the exact domain name zoom.us and the small padlock icon showing a secure connection. Click the result that takes you to Zoom's Download Center for Windows. On this page, Zoom lists its desktop client, the app you use for meetings, along with a few other tools. We're focusing on the main Zoom desktop client. The site typically detects you're on Windows and highlights the correct option automatically. Now, find and click the download button labeled Download 64-bit. Most modern Windows PCs are 64-bit, so this is the right choice for the vast majority of users. If you happen to be on an older 32-bit system, the page usually provides a separate 32-bit link, but for most people, 64-bit is the default and recommended. After you click, your browser will begin downloading the installer. You'll see progress at the bottom of the window in some browsers, or you can check your downloads list or your downloads folder. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose a location you can easily find later. Downloads is perfect. Once the download finishes, it's time to start the downloader. Click the downloaded file to open it. On many systems, it will appear as Zoom Installer or Zoom Installer Full with an .exe extension. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, this is normal for trusted installers. Select Yes so the setup can begin. You'll see the Zoom installer launch and start preparing the app. At this point, just let it run. You don't need to do anything else while it sets things up in the background. That's it. You searched for the official site, clicked through to the Windows download, chose the 64-bit installer, and started the downloader. You're now set to complete the setup and get ready for your next Zoom meeting.